Hello friends, welcome to Kids Corner. Today we have a short but very clever story about a hungry dog, juicy bone and a big mistake. Let's begin. One sunny afternoon, a dog named Bruno was walking through the village. He was very hungry. He sniffed around the streets, hoping to find something delicious. Suddenly, he spotted a big juicy bone near a butcher shop. Bruno quickly grabbed the bone. "This is the best day ever," he thought. He wagged his tail happily, but he didn't want any other dogs to steal this prize. So he decided to take the bone somewhere quiet. Soon Bruno reached a small wooden bridge over a clear river. The water below was calm and shiny. As he walked across the bridge, he looked down into the water. When Bruno looked into the water, he saw another dog. And that dog had another bone in its mouth. Bruno didn't realize it was just his reflection. Bruno thought, "That dog has a bone too. If I grab that bone, I will have two bones." His eyes grew wide. He wanted the second bone badly. So Bruno opened his mouth to bark at the other dog. But the moment he opened his mouth, splash! His own bone fell into the river, and the reflection disappeared too. Bruno stared into the water sadly. Now the bone was gone. He realized something important. The other dog was never real. It was only his shadow in the water. Bruno walked away slowly. His stomach was still hungry. But he had learned an important lesson. Greed can make us lose what we already have. Moral: greed is curse. Greed often leads to loss. Be happy with what you have, because sometimes wanting more can make you lose everything. And that's the story of the dog and the shadow. If you enjoyed this story, like, subscribe, and come back to the Kids Corner for more amazing stories. See you next time.